we have the DJI Mavic Pro Intelligent Flight Battery. This is a battery that costs about God, how much was this? Like $130 on Amazon. It's wild. So anyways, I just want to give you guys like a little unboxing. See what you guys get for 130 bucks. Open it up. Doesn't look too special. I think everyone's going for that minimalist Apple packaging. So anyways, we'll get this out of the way a little bit. So right here you have not much going on, just the battery. So open this up. It's kind of like Chinese to-go box or something. This instructions. I mean, I don't think you need this. And then you have the battery. So that's it. Not much of an unboxing video, but I do like it when people have unboxing videos and you get to kind of look at what's on there. The sticker kind of covers it up. See it like that. Oh wow, it comes with no charge. So maybe this was purchased on Woot actually for $90. So maybe this is just like a one that was sitting in their stock for a while. And that's pretty much it. Take a look at what's under here. Nothing. So anyways, this will be going back into my closet and just chilling in there. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to use the battery. I wanted two. I had the Mavic 1 originally, and then I sold it. Didn't really make any money, but I do some professional work, so I wanted the latest and greatest. Bought the Mavic 2, and I needed 2 batteries for it at least. My other Mavic I had 3, so maybe I'll end up getting 3 if I can get some on sale. Take it easy, guys.